गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीबॉडी। स्टैंडर्ड 7 सब्जेक्ट है साइंस और चैप्टर है आपका 4 कंटिन्यू चल रहा है। अभी आपको इसके शॉर्ट आंसर करवाऊंगी। नंबर 1, आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस इन शॉर्ट। नंबर 1 आंसर है सब्सटेंस हॉट और कोल्ड। आइसक्रीम क्या है? कोल्ड है। कप ऑफ टी हॉट है। आइस वाटर कोल्ड। स्टोन प्लेस इन सनलाइट तो हॉट। वेट क्लोथ्स कोल्ड और आइस कोल्ड। नेक्स्ट नंबर 2, लिस्ट एट लीस्ट 3 प्रिकॉशंस दैट शुड बी टेकन वाइल यूजिंग अ थर्मोमीटर। तो आंसर आएगा फॉलोइंग precautions must be taken while using a clinical thermometer. Number 1, always wash the thermometer with an antiseptic solution before and after use. Next number 2 point है hold it firmly from the opposite end of the mercury side and give it a few jerks to bring the level of mercury below 35 Celsius. Number 3 point है do not hold the thermometer by the burn. Next question है write the procedure of measuring your body temperature with the help of clinical thermometer. On a clinical thermometer, note the temperature difference indicated between two big marks. Also note the number of divisions between these marks. Number 2, now wash the clinical thermometer with antiseptic solution. Number 3 है hold it firmly and give it few jerks to bring the level of mercury below 35 Celsius. Next number 4 है place the bulb of the thermometer under your tongue for 1 minute. Number 5, after 1 minute, take out the thermometer from your mouth and note the reading which is the thermometer of your body. Next है आपका क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. What are the precautions needed while measuring the temperature of substance using the laboratory thermometer? तो इसका आंसर आएगा the thermometer should be kept upright, not tilt. Bulb should be surrounded from all sides by the substance of which the thermometer is to be measured. Number 3, temperature must be read when the thermometer is in contact with the substance. Number 4, the bulb should not touch the surface of the container. Number 5, the temperature in the thermometer has to be measured by keeping the eyebrow in the scale mark on the thermometer. Next question number आपका है 5, before using the clinical thermometer, wipe few jugs and given to it. तो आंसर आएगा इन द क्लिनिकल थर्मोमीटर देयर इज अ किंग फॉर जस्ट अबाउ द मर्क्यूरी बल्ब. हैंस इन थर्मोमीटर मर्क्यूरी रिमेन्स एट द लेवल विच इज प्रीवियसली मेजर्ड. नाउ टू मेजर द टेम्परेचर द मर्क्यूरी मस्ट बी ब्रॉट डाउन बिलो 35 Celsius so that the actual temperature can be measured. For this purpose, few jugs are given to the thermometer. Next number 6, explain conduction is solid substance. The process by which heat is transferred from hotter end to the colder end of solid is called conduction. When solid substance is heated and burned and the molecules of the part do not change their original position but oscillate with more frequency and amplitude about their respective mean positions, and their neighboring molecules also get affected through the intermolecular forces prevailing in the substance. So now these molecules transfer their effect to other nearby molecules. In this way, heat is transferred from one part of molecules to the neighboring part of molecules and thus reaches at the other end of substance. Next question number 7 है, explain convection in liquids. तो इसका आंसर आएगा convection is a mode of heat propagation in which heat moves from one place to another by actual motion of material particles. When liquid is heated from below, liquid of that part expands and therefore its density decreases. Such a light liquid rises up and the cold liquid that is heavier liquid moves down toward the source of heat. This liquid also become hot and rises, and liquid the sides move down. This process continues till the whole liquids get heated. Next question number 8 है, how does heat come towards us from the sun? और उसका क्वेश्चन और भी टर्न हो सकता है, हाउ डज वी रिसीव हीट फ्रॉम द सन. तो आंसर आएगा व्हेन वी कम आउट इन द सन वी फील वार्म. Heat cannot reach us by conduction or convection because there is no material medium such as air in most part of the space between the earth and the sun. Therefore, heat comes to us by the process called radiation from the sun. It can take place whether a medium is present or not. Next question number 9 है, why does a tile floor feels colder than a wooden floor when you walk on it barefoot? Answer, tiles are good conductors of heat as compared to wood. When you walk on a tile floor, it conducts a large amount of heat from your bare foot and you feel cool. On the contrary, wood is not a good conductor of heat and it conducts only a small amount of heat. Thus, a tile floor feels colder than a wooden floor even though both are at the same temperature. ये आपका क्या हो गया, आज मैंने आपको क्वेश्चन आंसर करवा दिए. अभी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मैं इसके आपको क्या करवाऊँगी, एक साइंटिफिक रीजंस है वो करवाऊँगी. ठीक है, ये आपको क्लास वर्क की बुक में